Hi, it's Emily Stein here from Roll for Fitness, and I want to show you a great exercise to help relieve any tension in your shoulders. A lot of times our bodies, we just get tight in our rib cage. So for people that have any tension, I would usually suggest people roll the front of their chest with the gold ball. They roll up the side of their body with the gold ball, and then they roll up the spine. Just for purposes for today, I'm going to show you how to roll up the sides. So what you'll do is you want to make sure that you're not rolling in your floating ribs, which they're down here. So you'll take your hand and you'll place your hand right at your waist, and you'll take about 4 fingers and you'll place the ball right at the side here. So it's by like your bra line for women out there. And you'll come on your side like this, and you'll place you want to be in a straight line, and this leg is behind you here, or it could be here, however it's easiest for you. And you want to take, first just when you're here, just bare range the ball and feel where the ball is. You can come a little forward, you can come a little bit back, and just breathe into where you are. And then you'll take your right arm, kind of put it behind your head like this, and you'll extend this arm out. So what you do is you take if you have balance, you can take this left hand, and bring this arm over like this. And just breathe here. Inhale and exhale into the ball. Inhale and exhale. The goal of this work is to create length and space. You'll inhale, and you'll use your leg, and you'll move the ball up as your body goes down. So when you're here, just kind of, you can move yourself a little forward and back just to kind of feel where you are. And just relax here. And just reach. You can continue to take this hand and reach this arm down as you wait here and breathe. You'll inhale and exhale. So I'm bringing my body down. When I'm here, I'm going to take with breast tissue out of the way, and I can bring myself a little bit forward to kind of get into the front of the chest. And then you can bring yourself a little bit forward and then back. Some of these areas are hard to get into with your hands, so the great thing about the ball is that it can get into these small spaces. And then just come forward back. And it also just is good to improve circulation in all parts of the body. That's why rolling is great for you. So just come back to the side, you'll inhale, and then you'll exhale. So when you're here, you take your arm down like this. I'm reaching this arm out. And I'm going to inhale here, and you can begin to kind of take yourself a little bit forward, a little back. Inhale, and you'll come down. So I'm going to take the ball all the way into my armpit like this. I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to lift my armpit over the ball, like here. So I'm reaching this hand, so this can be really tense on people that have tight shoulders. So when you're here, you can kind of come a little bit forward like this and back. You can take this hand forward here. You can take your palm, so you're literally rolling up the entire sideline of the body. And then you can move the ball down a little bit further to the beginning of your arm here. Same thing. You can take your arm here. And then you place it back into your armpit. And just let yourself kind of hang out here. You can come a little forward. You can take the ball into the back of the shoulder blade too. So there's multiple variations of doing this work. And then you gently just come up, just feel that. And usually when you do that, you always feel you have more space into your rib cage on one side. So if you enjoyed that and want to get a ball from me, my name is Emily Stein. I'm the owner of Roll for Fitness. I teach you how to roll and stretch your way to better health through active, isolated stretching and body rolling. Thank you so much and hope you have a great day. Bye everyone. Happy rolling and stretching. Remember to always breathe. Take deep breaths. Have a great day. Bye.